Okay, now everything is good.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we will make this one as a what?
Request. Request.
Request mapping. Hey, why this one is not coming? Request mapping. Inside that, let's take what is that? User slash user, right? User. Fine, friends. Okay. So, but here what? Our controller will interact with what? Our controller will interact with what? Service layer also, na? Come on. Come on. Hmm?
Yes,
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 sir.
Then
Yes,
we need to make auto wired with here also, na?
yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
So private
I
I
use it.
user service, right? Now
Service.
user service. Now we need to make this one as a what? Auto add. Auto word. Okay, fine. Now let's write the HTTP method, right? HTTP method, which one will perform what is that? Save operation, right? So I'm deciding now in this time what is the return type now, friends. What we learn in the rest are spring sorry in microservices, because last time we are returning string. Very good, very good. Now public response 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 entity, right?
yeah.
Response entity. In this time we will return what is that? Response entity as a what? String itself only. So save user, right? Save user. Fine, friends. Now return null, right? Just now I'm returning null. Okay, now come in our explanation only, right? Okay, friends, now come here. So here what is that? Which kind of data will come? Which kind of data will come? In client will send which kind of client data will send? JSON data, right? So how we can read this JSON data, friends?
Request body.
At the rate request body. Now in the argument, what we will pass? What we will pass at the rate request body, at the rate request body. After then which data we are reading now? User only, right?
User. Yes, sir.
User
Yes, yes.
user, right? Come on. Now argument is ready now, friends. Okay, argument is ready now. Now we want to perform the save operation now. Come on. So
Yes, sir.
what we will do it now? Service dot save user, right? Service dot save user, and we will pass the user. Okay, now this method will return what? Int na? Integer, right? Integer id. It will return what? Integer id. Now what we will do it here now? After getting the id here, what we will be need to convert this id in string format na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, string
Yeah.
format we have to convert.
Yeah, so what I'm going to do now, let's directly I'm converting this string here itself only, right? And I'm sending that string to what? Our end user. So here what? Response. Hey, this is the our
Content.
our REST application, right? We are developing REST application. So response entity dot OK method is there. OK method is there, right? In that, what we will do it now? Let's pass what is that? User saved. User saved with what? With ID. With ID plus what is the ID now? What is the ID? Let's take this one. Okay. Now we will return this one. That's it. Okay. So this method will become what is that? Post type. At the rate post mapping. At the rate post mapping. Inside that, let's take what? Save, right? Inside that, what we will do it now? We will take the save only, right? Save only. Okay, so now let's run our application and let's see that our data is storing in database or not, guys. Come on, let's see that our data is storing in database or not. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now? where the runner class. Okay, right click, run as a Spring Boot application. Yeah, our application is ready now, friends. Okay, so what we will do it now, let's open the Postman this time, because we will send the JSON data. Okay, now what was the port number? 99, I think I took, right? Yeah, 999 and a controller class user and a save, right? So here in on the Postman, what we will take, we will select the post, and here what is that? HTTP colon double slash, let's take
Double nine.
9999 slash user, right? Slash
Yes.
save, right?
Yes,
This
then
is the
save.
URL, right? Come on.
Yes,
Now
yes.
come inside that body, right? Come inside that body. Just I'm removing this one. Go inside, select a row, select raw material, raw, right? Raw, and here you need to select JSON slash application, and inside that what we need to do, open our model class. Where that model class now? Where the model class now? ID automatically will generate, right? This one must match, otherwise we will get null. So now here let's take, what is that? Name. I'm taking just what we will take name. Let's take Pankaj. We decided na. Let's take Pankaj. Name I'm taking what? Pankaj. Next field is what? Next field is what now, friends? Here username. Copy this one and come here, paste it, and here username let's take as a what? p@gmail.com, right? Now here what is that? Next one is what? Password, right? pwd is there. Now password, let's take password as what? P12345. Okay, this is the password. Okay, now next one is what? Next one is what now, friends? Next one is a roles, right? Next one is a roles, right? Come here and in the double quotes take the roles comma, but this is the array format. We need to take this one as a array format. In this admin, two roles I'm giving. Admin, another one is what? Let's give emp, right? Emp. Now if we send this data, right, this data will go and store in the database, and again we will get what is that? User saved message. See, we are getting or not? User saved with what? ID number 1. We are getting that message na? Come on. Come on, friends.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah, if you want to check, now come here, refresh this one. Two tables are created or not? First one is user, right? In if you open the user, what is that? One Pankaj, password is 1p12345p@gmail.com. If you open the user roles, then you can able to see what is that? How many roles we given? One ID number, admin and employee. This one only we given in the JSON data or not, friends? Come on.
Yes.
yeah.
Right? So now, friends, now which login process we completed, right? Login process we completed. Next one is what? Login and token generation. This process is very complicated process. We need fresh brain, friends. Okay, we need fresh brain. Let's stop here itself only session. Tomorrow we will complete what is that? Login and token generation process and access resources, right? These two steps we will complete tomorrow itself only. Tomorrow also session will be long only, right? Session will be long because this process is too much complicated process, friends. Okay, too much complicated process, friends. Just refresh yourself today, and I'll post these things, right? I'll post these things. Just are already you guys are habituated with this one, right? Because the same process we followed in
Yes,
the
sir.
last time only,
Yes.
but now from here onward different process will be there. From second process onward, second stage means what a different process will be there, friends. Okay, different tokenization and all those things will come now here. So let's stop today's session here itself only. Tomorrow we will connect, and tomorrow we will try to complete a JWT tomorrow itself only. How much time will take, we will not bother about the time. We will complete until unless if we are not completing, we will not stop the session tomorrow, right? Compared to
Okay.
today, tomorrow will take more time because tomorrow two concepts. See, only one concept we implemented, still two concept is there, and both process is long process, friends. Okay, long process, and we need more brain. We need more brain, right? So that's why I'm stopping today's session. Now we will connect tomorrow, right? See you tomorrow,
Right,
friends.
right.
Okay, see you
Okay.
tomorrow, friends. Okay, bye.
Yeah, thank you.
Sudhir, just only one thing, Sudhir. Actually, I think I can't able to come today there, right? Tomorrow we will
Yeah,
meet.
yeah.
Tomorrow we will meet. I'll try to meet tomorrow after session only, right?
Okay, Ravi. Fine, fine.
Yeah. Okay, let's stop.
Thank you,
Bye,
Ravi.
bye, guys. Bye.
Bye.